The whole world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything you gotta get. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we devoted full time to one thing under the sea. Now here all the fish is happy, as after the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, the sharkers they in their hole. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they in for a worse of fate. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you gonna be on day. What go under the sea? Under the sea. Nobody beat us, try us, and eat us in fricassee. We want the land first, not the cook. Under the sea, we have to cook. We got no trouble. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is real, we got to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they hit the earth and start to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it. Under the sea. You play the flute, the cop, play the harp, the bass, play the bass, the sound, the chop, the bass, play the brass, the chop, play the top. The flute is the duke of soul. The way he can play the lips off the strings, the chop, backing up the blackfish, he sings his mouth and his front. They know where it's at.